Dear children, welcome to today's class of discussion of essay My MA Life Part 1. But before discussing, let us do Brahmanad. Now I will do Brahmanad. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Swasthya. Now we will discuss the essay. The name of the essay is My Aim in Life Part 1. My Aim in Life we will discuss in two parts. Today, first part we will discuss. Then, in the first part, first of all, we should introduce the essay. The first side heading is Introduction. So now, number 1, Introduction. Introduction. In introduction, let us see how to introduce the essay. Now, aim means a certain goal. Aim means a certain goal, and aim means a certain goal to focus one's study, to focus one's study and to succeed in reaching the goal. So everyone must have some aim. Everyone must have some aim in life. Now, a man without an aim in life, an aim in life is just like a boat in the water of life without an oar. So we should fix a definite aim. So you should fix a definite aim. And then we should try to fulfill it. Now this is all about introduction. Introduction is over. This is all about introduction. Now let me write this. Let me write the first side heading, first important point, that is introduction. Now second side heading of the second important point we will discuss, that is my aim in life. Number 2, the side heading or the important point is my aim in life. My aim in life. My aim in life. I have fixed my aim in life. My aim in life to be a doctor. To be a doctor. Because doctor's job is a noble profession. Doctors do godly job. Doctors do godly job for the people of the society. For the people of the society. Doctors do godly job for the people of the society. They are like real gods. So, people have much respect for them. They earn their livelihood with prestige. They do the twin job of making money and serving the sufferers. Now they save many lives. They save many lives from sure death. They save many lives from sure death. So I have fixed my aim to be a doctor. Now this paragraph is over. This point is over. I have fixed my aim to be a doctor. Then instance of a doctor's job. Next side heading or next point is instance of a doctor's job. That is, now let us write instance of a doctor's job. Number 3, side heading number 3, instance of a doctor's job. Instance of a doctor's job. Instance of a doctor's job. My friend's father was suffering. My friend's father was suffering from blood cancer. My friend's father was suffering from blood cancer. Cancer was detected at an early stage. Cancer was detected at an early stage. So he was admitted in the Tata Cancer Hospital in Mumbai, and a doctor could save his life from sure death. So this inspired me. This inspired me to be a doctor. Okay, now this up to the third point we have completed. Now for today's class this much is okay, and with this video I will send you a photocopy of this up to this point. This much for today. Thank you.